Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 6 box break for today. It's 3:17 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, top person will get the NT spots. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Corey Leslie gets them. Team draw 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Random is complete, and the list is, give me one sec. Corey Leslie Warriors, Mr. Holland Grizz, Grant McDonald Lakers, Lanyon Cavs, Glenbow Magic, Dale Blazers, Murray Russell Wizards, Dale Bucks, Lanyon Celtics, Kiwi Nets, Grant McDonald Mavericks, Jason Airey Nuggets, Nick Powell Hornets, Andrew Cock Knicks, Dale Sixers, Grant McDonald Pistons, Mr. Holland Kings and Pelicans, Corey Leslie Pacers, Dwayne to tie with Spurs, Grant McDonald Suns, Glenn Jackson Raptors, Jason Airey Thunder, Stretch Armstrong Clippers, Kiwi Hawks, Dane Fountain Jazz, Murray Russell Bulls, Andrew Hunt Bulls, Brendan Berthel with the Heat, and Dale with the Rockets. And that means done.